Again, magandang Jensen and welcome po kayo dito. Alam nyo, napakaswerte nyo ngayon dahil ang ganda ng panahon ngayon dito sa lungsod ng General Santos. Magandang umaga and God bless.
Ngayong araw na to, ginagawa natin ang EODB Forum 2025 na meron tayong team, Faster, Smarter, Better, Advancing EODB Compliance in Local Government Units Towards Local Economic Development. Ito ay isang forum na ginagawa natin taon-taon para i-disseminate at i-share sa mga local government units yung mga bagong policies and updates in terms of initiatives and innovation and strategies in compliance to the ease of doing business, particularly ng ating mga local government units levels.
To all our local chief executives and participants here, I hope that you will maximize this forum. Share your challenges, learn from each other, and forge partnerships that will advance your LGU's digital journey. On behalf of the DILG 12, maraming salamat po at sama-sama tayo sa digital bagong Pilipinas.